Hello friends, today's discussion topic is the classification of the Deuteromycetes fungi. Last classification in this fifth class is the Deuteromycetes fungi. The Deuteromycetes fungi is also known as the fungi imperfecti because the absence of the sexual reproductions, they are only produced asexually by and vegetative methods. Then classification of the Deuteromycetes. The Ainsworth in 1973 is divided into subdivision Deuteromycetes in following three classes. One is the Blastomycetes, second one is the Hypomycetes, and another last one is the Coleomycetes. First, Blastomycetes. True mycelium is absent and poorly developed the plant body is slight, show the budding. So, for example, the Sporobolomyces. Sporobolomyces is also known as the budding, but shows the budding main reproductions as it is a yeast-like structure. Then second, Hypomycetes. Hypomycetes true mycelium is present. Budding cells are present. Mycelium either sterile and bear the spores on the sporopore, which are never aggregated in Pycnidia and Acervilla type of the. In this Hypomycetes contain the spores is Acervilla type as well as the Pycnidial type. So well developed mycelium and present the budding cells, म्हणजे bud like budding cells are present. They, for example, Alternaria, Cercospora, Cruvillaria, Curularia, Pyricularia, Helmintosporium, Fusarium, Coleotrichum, Phylloticata, Phylloticata, and Phoma. These examples are already studied: Cercospora, Helmintosporium, Fusarium, and Coleotrichum. The red rot of sugarcane, Cercospora personata, Helmintosporium, Fusarium, Alternaria alternata, Alternaria solani are already studied in practical. So these examples are well known. Then third class, Coleomycetes. The true mycelium is present. Budding cells are absent. Spores are aggregated in Pycnidia, either Pycnidia and Acervilla type. Example, Coleomycetes. एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही लक्षामध्ये ठेवायचे. ब्लास्टोमायसिटीजमध्ये स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस, हायपोमायसिटीजमध्ये अल्टरनारिया, सर्कोस्पोरा, कुर्विलारिया, पायरिक्युलारिया, हेल्मेंथोस्पोरियम, फ्युजारियम, कोलिडोट्रायकम and Phyllosoctita and Phoma. Another one is the Coleomycetes. Last one is the Coleomycete. Then Deuteromycetes, silent features, also called as the general characteristic. The Deuteromycetes occurs mostly as a saprophytic. Saprophytic म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे सर्वांना. On a wide range of the substrata, but a large number of them are parasitic. So large number मध्ये काय होतात तर ते काय असतात तर parasitic on plant, on animal, including the ह्युमन बिंग्समध्ये पण बऱ्यापैकी हे काय करतात डिसीज कॉज करत असतात. अँड causes a variety of the diseases. Many varieties of the diseases called the Deuteromycetes fungi, such as the leaf spot diseases, blight diseases, blot diseases, wilt diseases, rots disease, anthracnose, etc. disease. Important disease of the plant, while the disease like the meningitis, candidiasis, skin diseases, nail diseases, dermatomyces, and ringworm, athletes of the foods, etc. occurs in the animal as well as including the human. Athletic disease माहिती आहे तुम्हाला, डर्मॅटोकोमायसिस असेल, रिंगवर्म असेल किंवा नाईल डिसीज असतील, हे आपले ह्युमन बिंगमध्ये पण काय करतात तर ड्यूटरोमायसिटीज काय करतात तर मेन कॉझिंग एजंट आहेत. द मायसिलियम इज मेड of the well-developed mycelium is a well-developed, profusely branched and septate hyphae that process the multinucleate cells. In this condition, the septate hyphae contain the multinucleate cells and the सिम्पल पोअर सेप्टा. सिम्पल पोअर मीन्स सिम्पल सेप्टा. सेप्टा कशा सेप्टा वॉल कशा असतात, सिम्पल पोअर सेप्टा. The hyphae may be inter or intracellular. Hyphae may be inter as well as the intracellular. And there the cell wall is chiefly contained of the chitin and glucans. Fungal cell wall is chiefly contain chitin and the glucan. Then Deuteromycetes reproduce only asexually. Why asexually? Because the sexual reproduction is completely absent. So Anthridium, Archegonium, Oogonium, homothallic, heterothallic is completely absent because sexual reproduction is absent. So this class is very easily understanding in our syllabus. So this class Deuteromycetes reproduce only asexually. Asexually, the asexual reproduction may take place by the hybrid fragments. By using fragmentation, budding is a common blastomycetes. Common budding कशामध्ये होतं, इन कॉमन ब्लास्टोमायसिटीज. अर्थोस्पोर म्हणजे फॉर क्लायमेडोस्पोर. फ्लॅट एक्सटेंडेड asexual spore formed by the breaking up of the cell of the hyphae. Breaking up of the cell of the hyphae. Another one is the chlamydospore. All of you know that the chlamydospores are thick-walled, modified cell functioning the resting spore. Chlamydospore also known as the resting spore because they two membrane cell structure. Two membrane cells. The outer is a thick, inner is a thin. The outer inner thick and then resting spores. This resting spore dormant stage ला काय होतात, डॉर्मंट स्टेज मधून ते काय होतात, रेस्टिंग स्टेजला जातात आणि त्यानंतर फेवरेबल कंडिशन मिळाली की ते पुन्हा काय होतात, जर्मिनेट होतात. सो क्लायमोडोस्पोर्स इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. द क्लायमोडोस्पोर्स most commonly conidia and conidiophore non-motile spores. Conidia and conidiophore is a non-motile spores formed in externally on the surface of the hyphae. Specialized hyphal branch is called as the conidiophore. Conidiophore are generally called as exogenous form. The inside the sporangium spore produce is called as endogenous formation. Outside the sporangium is called as the exogenous. The conidia are generally formed in the exogenous formation. Is that clear? Then the cell of conidiophore, that the conidia is called as the conidiogenous cells. This conidia may be the producer either at the tip or side of the conidiogenous cells, either the slightly in the chain manner. कशा असतात कोनिडिया, काय होतात तर slightly under the chain like manner. The conidiophore either free from one another, they may be the aggregated. Either free, they form a one another to form a specialized structure such as called as synemata and sporodochia. Sporodochia, also called as synemata and sporodochia. Specialized structure aggregate करतात, either free as well as the closed. त्यालाच आपण such as called as the synemata as well as the sporodochia. In large number of the Deuteromycetes, the conidiophore are formed in more specialized and organized fruiting layers. Present within the specialized fruiting bodies is called as conidiomata. This fruiting body is called as conidiomata. Singular conidiomia. Conidioma, formerly called as the conidiocarps. The conidiomata may be the acervillous as well as the pycnidium type. आता हे कोनिडिओमॅटा म्हणजे ते कोनिडियलचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे, त्याला एक पर्टिक्युलर नाव आहे. ॲसरव्हिलस म्हणजे कसं, ते विळ्याच्या आकारासारखे कोमा टाईप, त्याला ॲसरव्हिलस टाईप होतं. आणि पिक्निडियल स्टेज तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, पिक्निडियम कोनिडियम क्लायमोडोस्पोर हे अशा पद्धतीचे काय होतात, तर ते वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे काय होतात, आकाराचे काय होतात, स्पोर होतात. त्याला कोनिडिओमॅटा किंवा कोनिडिओमॅटा म्हणलं जातं किंवा सिंगुलर कोनिडिओमा. Sexual reproductions lack म्हणजे completely absent, but a parasexual cycle. Parasexuality generally operates in their life and fulfill the requirement of the sexuality. Parasexual म्हणजे life होते पण ते fulfillment of the require of the parasexuality. Then next is स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस. स्पोरोबोलोमायसिसमध्ये तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ब्लास्टोमायसिटीचं पहिले एक्झाम्पल आहे ते स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस. तर स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल आपण फर्स्ट क्लास पाहतोय कुठला स्पोरोबोलोमायसिसमध्ये कुठला ब्लास्टोमायसिटीस. इज दॅट क्लिअर? देन स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस. The sporobolomyces is actually anamorphic sporoidals and mentioned by the Crick et al. 2001. It belongs to the family Sporobolomycetaceae, order Sporobolomycetes, and contains the 7 species. It is the Sporobolomyces contains the 7 species. Each species grows saprophytically. Saprophytically means all of you know that on old fallen leaves, ripened fruits as well as rust infected leaves. जसं रस्ट इन्फेक्टेड लीव्ज असतील, स्मट्स असतील किंवा रायपनड फ्रूट्स असतील किंवा फॅलन लीव्ज इन्फेक्टेड किंवा ओल्ड वूड पल्प. सो दिस स्पेशीज आर ग्रो इन द saprophytically. They are common air contaminant. The sporobolomyces म्हणजे काय? It is a common air contaminant. It produces the ballostospore in very large number in the air. ते काय करतात? प्रोड्युसिंग काय करतात? ballostospores very large in number of the air. The sporobolomyces is an yeast-like made up of the oval and uninucleate cell. Sporobolomyces are yeast-like as it is yeast-like and produce the oval-shaped spore. These spores are uninucleate cell. The pigment is present. The cell impact the red to pink color. Pigment असतं त्यामुळे काय मायसेसमध्ये pigment is present and pigment is red to pink color to the colonies of the cell. The main reproduction takes place by the budding, so called as the budding. In mature organism, cell give arise the sickle-shaped or kidney-shaped spore. It's called as a ballostospore. तेच सिकल शेप्ड असतील किंवा किडनी शेप्ड स्पोर असतात त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणलं जातं? बॅलस्टोस्पोर. अतिशय सोपा जीनस आहे स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस. स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस सॅप्रोफायटिक इन नेचर. हॅबिटॅट तुम्हाला माहीत झालं. हॅबिट कसं आहे? वेल डेव्हलप्ड ब्रांच रिसेप्टेड हायपी त्याच्यामध्ये असतात. वेल प्रॉपेशली ब्रांचड असतात. आणि तदनंतर तुम्हाला काय द्यायचं तर असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बाय द कोनिडिओफोर फॉर्मेशन असेल आणि asexual reproduction conidiophore formation and budding. It is a budding and the mature organism give rise to the sickle shaped and kidney shaped spore. It's called as the ballostospore. This is a diagrammatic representation of the budding. Sporobolomyces is a cell showing the various stages of the budding ballostospore. आता पहिल्या स्टेजमध्ये तुम्हाला काय ए डायग्राममध्ये काय पाहायला मिळते? ईस्ट लाईक सेल आहे. त्यापासून काय झालं? सेल आहे, न्यूक्लियस आहे, त्यापासून एक नवीन बर्ड लाईक स्मॉल आउटग्रोथ तयार झाली. बी डायग्राममध्ये थोडीशी ती आउटग्रोथ काय झाली? मोठी झाली. आणि सी डायग्राममध्ये त्यापासून न्यूक्लिअर मटेरियल न्यूक्लिअर मटेरियल एक्सचेंजिंग झालं, त्यापासून बॅलिस्टोस्पोर तयार झाला. आणि जे खालचा लोअर पार्ट आहे, मदर पार्ट आहे, तो काय झाला? स्टेरिगमेटा. आणि त्यापासून काय होतात? बॅलिस्टोस्पोर फॉर्मेशन होतं. आणि ते बॅलिस्टोस्पोर अशा नंतर तुम्हाला काय दिसतात? तर हे डायग्राममध्ये खाली दाखवलेल्या डायग्राममध्ये काय दिसतील तुम्हाला? हे बॅलिस्टोस्पोर पाहायला मिळतील. इज दॅट क्लिअर? हे झालं तुमचा स्पोरोबोलोमायसिस. ओके, थँक्यू.